During the American Revolutionary War, the Continental Army faced significant challenges in organizing and maintaining effective military forces capable of confronting the well-trained and disciplined British Army. To address these challenges, the Continental Congress issued the Regulations for the Order and Discipline of the Troops of the United States, a comprehensive set of guidelines that laid the groundwork for the organization, training, and conduct of American forces during the conflict. This article explores the origins, content, and significance of these regulations in the context of the American Revolution. Origins and development. The Regulations for the Order and Discipline of the Troops of the United States were first introduced by the Continental Congress in 1775, shortly after the outbreak of hostilities with Great Britain. Recognizing the need for standardized procedures and protocols to govern the behavior and conduct of American soldiers, the Continental Congress appointed a committee, led by General George Washington, to draft a set of regulations that would ensure the efficiency and effectiveness of the Continental Army. Drawing upon existing military practices and European models, the committee produced a comprehensive document that covered all aspects of military life, from recruitment and training to tactics and discipline. The regulations were intended to instill professionalism, discipline, and cohesion within the ranks of the Continental Army, enabling American forces to compete on equal footing with their British counterparts. Content and structure. The Regulations for the Order and Discipline of the Troops of the United States comprised a series of articles and provisions that outline the duties, responsibilities, and obligations of soldiers serving in the Continental Army. Key aspects covered by the regulations included: 1. Organization and command structure. The regulations prescribed the organization of military units, from companies and regiments to brigades and divisions. They also established the chain of command, delineating the roles and responsibilities of officers, non-commissioned officers, and enlisted personnel. 2. Training and drill. The regulations outlined the training regimen for soldiers, including drill maneuvers, weapon proficiency, and battlefield tactics. They emphasized the importance of discipline and precision in executing military maneuvers and operations. 3. Uniform and appearance. The regulations specified the uniform and equipment requirements for soldiers, including dress standards, accoutrements, and personal grooming. Uniformity in appearance was deemed essential for fostering esprit de corps and unit cohesion. 4. Behavior and conduct. The regulations set forth guidelines for the behavior and conduct of soldiers both on and off the battlefield. They emphasized the importance of obedience, respect for authority, and adherence to military law and discipline. 5. Rations and supplies. The regulations addressed the provision of rations, supplies, and logistical support for soldiers in the field. They established procedures for the distribution and procurement of food, clothing, and other essential items necessary for sustaining military operations. Significance and legacy. The Regulations for the Order and Discipline of the Troops of the United States played a crucial role in shaping the organization and effectiveness of the Continental Army during the American Revolutionary War. By providing a standardized framework for military operations and behavior, the regulations helped to professionalize American forces and enhance their readiness for combat. Moreover, the regulations laid the groundwork for the development of a distinct American military tradition, characterized by adaptability, innovation, and decentralized command. While drawing inspiration from European models, the regulations reflected the unique circumstances and values of the American colonies, emphasizing principles of individual liberty, democratic governance, and citizen soldiering. Conclusion. The Regulations for the Order and Discipline of the Troops